If you're bored seeing other people having high-paying jobs in Germany and spending their life in a standard way, and you are not able to find out the way to get a job in Germany, then this video is for you. Hi, I am Ashik and you're watching How to Abroad, and today we are going to discuss how to get jobs in Germany from India. Germany has the largest economy in Europe and is also the fifth largest economic country in the world. So there are plenty of jobs in Germany. In this video, we will show how to find a job in Germany. And as you are from outside Germany, so today we are going to discuss how to apply for a job as a foreigner. Germany has low levels of unemployment and is not as affected by skills shortages as some other parts of Europe. Although experienced workers in the field of science, technology, engineering, and maths and health occupations are in short supply, especially in southern and eastern Germany. There are 573,000 job vacancies are available in Germany, according to a recent statistics. If you are a newcomer in Germany and looking for a job, it can be difficult sometimes if you are restricted to English-speaking jobs. Don't worry, in this video you will get to know about how to apply for a job in Germany. Number 1. Apply for a visa. Citizens from EU countries, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Norway and Iceland do not require a visa to apply for a job in Germany. If you are a citizen of Australia, Canada, Israel, Japan, South Korea, New Zealand or USA, then you can enter Germany without a visa and can remain for up to 3 months. And citizens who are coming from other countries require a visa. You have to apply for one when you have a contract of employment in Germany. Make an appointment at the German embassy in your country and then inform your employer that it can take some time. But if you have higher education qualifications that is recognized in Germany, you can get a 6-month visa to apply for a job. Number 2, get a health insurance. According to the law, everyone needs to have health insurance in Germany. It helps to cover charges when it's needed. It is really important to have health insurance and apply for it as soon as possible. Number 3, write a good CV. If you want to find a good job in any country, first you have to create a resume with a cover letter. Good resumes look alike, no matter the country. Number 4, write a letter of application. Make sure that you write a clear structured cover letter. It should be clear and informative. Try to avoid how much do you need the job or how much you want to live in Germany. Number 5, be smart in your interviews. Always arrive at your interview early. Make sure that you wear formal attire. Do a little research on that company and how much one earns based on your experience in your job. So if the employer asks such questions on these topics, you can answer them. Remember one thing, be confident and always look into their eyes. Number 6, always keep your documents with you. The documents you need when you apply for a job in Germany are your diploma recognized document, your tax identification number, your health insurance document, your German bank account details, and your police clearance certificate, which is known as this. So these are the process of having job in Germany. If you want to apply for a job searching visa in Germany and want a job in Germany and have a standard life in Germany, so please reach out to us. We can help you in this. You can just contact us through this WhatsApp number. So if you like this informative video, please click the like button, subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. Till then, tata, bye bye, and as you know, take care.